YouTube family. This is Alyssa. Coming to you on this, I would say, what did I say, Sunday? Yes. Sacrifice Sunday. Sorry. Just came from the gym. When it brought my groceries, I'll show them to you when I get out. My phone wouldn't record at first, so I had to delete some videos in order to get it to record. Oh man, I forgot my notebooks. I need to start making a shopping list. God, so I gotta still come back out. Oh my God. Well, when I got my groceries, bought my meal prepping containers. I didn't get the ones that I wanted. I spent $300. Did you hear me? For the people in the back, I spent $300. $320 to be exact. So I got my meal prepping containers. I got me like a ninja type cup where I can mix my smoothies in, and I can take the cup on the go with me. So I'm gonna meal prep for the week. I'm going to make my breakfast. Normally I don't eat breakfast, but I like to have a little something on my stomach because watermelons, they didn't have any watermelons. I went to Walmart. So I'm headed home now to get started. So I do need to come back out. So I'll go home, meal prep. It's going to take me a while because I'm doing it I have 10 containers. So I'll probably do a breakfast, a lunch and dinner type deal. And that should take me through the week because I do not like scrambling for my food during the week. Go, lady. So that is what I'm on my way home to do. And again, I'm going to try to post as much as I can. Let's get these bodies together. Let's stay fit. Let's snatch this waist up. Got my waist trainer on, as well as my my sauna shirt, or this shirt. I don't know what else to call it. Sauna suit top. I bought a lot of groceries, y'all. I just went all out. I got 2 of everything. I got my vinegar because I'm gonna post a video. I drink apple cider vinegar, honey, and lemon and lime warm with water every morning and every night before I go to bed, and that is what has helped me snatch my waist in even more, as well as it works on your digestive system, so you're not constipated and you don't have, it clears up the you from clogging or whatever. And I'm just talking off the top of my head, so forgive me if I'm not saying words correctly. So I am almost home, so I can unpack all of these groceries. And I got a case of water, which is so heavy. I think I'm gonna just leave that in my car. I don't know, I'll decide. Alright, so I'm gonna pause this video. I gotta figure out how to add the videos together, or I can stay on with you guys, but I got a lot of stuff to take up, so I don't think I'm going to have you on while I take it up. But yeah, today is Sunday, Super Sunday. That's what we're going to call this, Super Sunday, because so for the week, I'm going to cook me mushrooms as my meat, mushrooms and onions and peppers. And I'll have some asparagus, and then I'll have me some What else did I get? Sweet potato. Yeah, that girl trying to build that bottom, trying to build my bottom and slim up my top. So I've been isolating my workouts. So I'll work out. One day I'll do my lower body workout exercise, and then I'll do my upper body. Y'all, it's cold out here. And look at me, I have nothing on. Look at that girl. Yes, baby. Yes, yes. See that sexy going on? The truck driver's in the house. All right, look at all these groceries I got, y'all. Oh, God, I got to take them up some stairs, a flight of steps. Look, so I got my containers from Walmart. Got me a little blender. It's not a name brand, but, well, it is. Mainstays. But it's not a Ninja. It's kind of like a Ninja, but we'll see. I got 2 containers, 5 lids, 5 tops. And this is all of my groceries. I got this for my dessert that I'm going to put in. I'm going to make me some chia pudding with oatmeals and stuff. The only thing I forgot to get is my granola, because that's also protein. But all right, y'all, this is all the groceries that I have, my car and my other stuff that I keep in my trunk, my truck and stuff. So I will come back on here when I start to meal prep.